Alright, so you're looking at the Box Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Plus, and it comes with a 1080p HD security camera, motion activated LED floodlights, 105 dB security siren, two-way talk, and customizable motion zones. So you can see the contents of the box there. You got your floodlight. I went with the black model. It does come in white. There's your user manual, 3 wire nuts and metal mounting bracket, a trusty screwdriver, which will come in handy, and your plastic mounting plate. So your first step is to shut off the power at the breaker, and if you're mounting it to a wall, then you want to set your floodlight up so it looks like this. Alright, so let's remove our existing floodlight, and since I'm replacing an older ring floodlight, I can use our special screwdriver, just pop off the top bit like that. Now that the old floodlight is off, we want to remove the old mounting plate and install the new one. Make sure the front text is visible like that. Then install the plastic mounting plate and insert the correct screw into the center hole and tighten. Locate the nylon strap on the back of your floodlight and loop the buckle at the end over the hook on the mounting plate. Once that's done, connect the 3 wires, so black to black, white to white, and the ground, which is the green one, to the copper wire if your setup is like mine. Tuck the wires back into the junction box, then secure using the hex cap nuts from bag G. Remove the reversible bit from the screwdriver, and then you want to tighten the hex cap nuts on the floodlight, like you see in the video. Once your floodlight cam is secured like so, and I must say it looks mighty nice, you want to apply a weatherproof sealant around the outside where the floodlight cam and junction box meet. Now that it's installed, we can turn the power back on at the breaker and complete the setup in the Ring app. I hope you guys found this video informative, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye for now.